how to prepare this geometry in AutoCAD. So as usual, we'll first spend some time in studying this geometry and trying to see how we'll proceed with this geometry. After analyzing this geometry, I feel that the best starting point would be drawing this rectangle. So what we'll do first is we'll begin our drawing by drawing this rectangle which is of 50 units by 20 units. Then we'll fillet the edges with a radius of 5. Then we'll draw another rectangle which is of 30 units by 10 units. Then we'll fillet the edges. After that, we'll draw one line which extends from the geometric center of this straight to the bottom at a distance of 90 units, that is 65 plus 25. Then we'll draw one circle which is of 50 dia. Then from the quadrantial to that circle, we'll draw one line of 10 units, extend it upward 25 units. Then we'll draw this circle which would be at the intersection of this, and the diameter would be 10 units. Now we have to draw this arc. So for this, what we'll do, we'll draw one circle which would extend from the geometric center of this line downwards and a diameter of 30 units. So that would give us this point. Then we'll draw arc with a start, end and radius of 110. Once this is drawn, now we have to draw this line. So we'll draw this line outside of 12 units and then bring it to the geometric center and move it downwards 15 units. Then we'll draw another line of 30 units, move it to the above this line and then bring it down 35 units. Then we'll draw the arc with this as a starting point, this as an end point, radius 110. Then we'll mirror the objects to the right. Then we'll select the geometry and increase the thickness of the line to 0.30. Then we'll draw the center marks and change the color to red. Then we'll do the dimensioning and our geometry is complete. So let me show you how we'll proceed with the drafting. So let's begin by drawing this rectangle 50 units by 20 units. So I use the rectangle command and then I'll use the tracking point from here, somewhere over here, and we'll say 50 units. I'll press the tab by 20 units and hit enter. Then I will type fillet and I'll press R for radius, give the radius as 5 units, hit enter, P for polyline and click on this. So our edges are filleted at 5 radius. Now let's draw this rectangle. So again, rectangle command, we'll click outside and we'll give the distance as 30 units, press tab by 10 units. Why 10 units? Because the radius of this is 5, so the diameter is 10. Now we explode this rectangle, so we type explode and click on this rectangle. Before exploding, it would be better if we move this rectangle to the geometric center. So we'll type move and we click on this rectangle, press enter, click on the geometric center of this rectangle and move it to the geometric center of this. Now we type explode, hit enter and click on this rectangle, enter. Then we erase this line and this line, enter. Then we fillet. So we type fillet, click over here, click over here, again fillet, click over here and click over here. Now we'll draw one line which would be extending from the center point of this downwards at a distance of 90 units. So we say line We take the geometric center and extend it downwards. We turn the ortho on downwards at a distance of 90 units and we hit enter. Now we'll draw this circle of 50 dia. So we select circle, center diameter, center point is this, diameter is 50 and hit enter. Now we'll draw this line of 10 units. So we type line and we select quadrantial to this circle, extend it to the left 10 units. Then upwards 25 units. Hit enter. Now we want to draw this circle which is of 10 dia. So we select circle, center diameter. We use this tracking point and we use this tracking point. And at the intersection, we click over here and give the dia as 10 and hit enter. Now we want to draw this arc. So for this, we'll use the circle and the center diameter command. The diameter would be 30. So we click over here and the diameter is 30. Now we get this point. Now we'll use the arc and select start, end and radius. So this becomes the start point, this becomes the end point. Turn off the ortho and the radius would be 110. Then we erase the referential circle and hit enter. Now we want to draw this line. So we type line, click anywhere outside, turn the ortho on and type 12 units and hit enter. Again enter. Then click on the line, click on the center mark and bring it over here. Now we have to move this line down. So we type move, click on the center of this line and move it down at a distance of 15 units and hit enter. Now we draw another line of 30 units. So we click here, 30 units and hit enter. Again enter. Then click on the line, click on the center mark and bring it here. Now we move this line. So we click on the line, we give this as a base point and move it downwards at a distance of 35 units. Now we have to draw this arc. So we again use arc, start, end and radius. This time this will be the start point, this will be the end point and the radius would be 110. Now we'll mirror the objects. So we type the mirror command, select the objects to mirror this object, this circle, this line and this line. Hit enter. Give this as the one point and this as the other point. Hit enter. Now we use the trim command and trim the unwanted part of the circle. And we also don't need this part and don't need this part. We don't need the referential line in the center. We click on the referential line and erase it. Now we select the entire geometry and increase the thickness by 0.30. Escape. Now we use the center mark command and give one center mark here, over here, here, here and here. Enter. Now we select the center marks 2, 3, 4 and 5 and change the color of the center marks to red. It can be any color of your choice. Now our geometry is complete. Let's proceed with the dimensioning. So we select first linear dimensioning, click over here and click over here and this becomes 30 units. Again linear dimensioning, click over here, click over here. This is 50 units. Again, radius, click over here, radius is 5. Again, linear dimensioning, click over here, click over here, it is 20 units. Again, radius dimensioning, click on this circle, radius is 5. Again, linear dimensioning, click on this line, click on this line. Linear dimensioning, click on center point of this circle to end point of this, and it should be 15 units. Again, linear dimensioning from here to here, 35 units. Again, linear dimensioning from here to here, 12 units. Again, linear dimensioning from here to here, 30 units. Again, linear dimensioning from here to here, 30 units. Again, radius dimensioning and click over here, radius 110. Again, radius dimensioning, click over here, radius 110. Again, linear dimensioning, center point of this circle to center point of this circle, and it is 65 units. Again, linear dimensioning, center point of this circle to end point of this line, and it is 25. Then linear dimensioning from here to here, 10 units. Linear dimensioning from here to here, it is 50 units. Again, linear dimensioning from here to here, and it is 10 units. Now, for this circle, diametric dimensioning, click on this circle, click over here, then double click on this, then go to the end of it and type x2, means dia 10 two circles. Click on close editor, and our geometry is complete. So friends, in this video tutorial, we have seen how to prepare this beautiful geometry in AutoCAD. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.